Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pusheen with some Christmas presents. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of Pusheen's body. At the top, let's draw a curve across. Then from both sides, let's bring it up and down for the ears. Now let's bring it down all the way to the bottom and curve it in for the sides of the body. Now at the bottom, let's draw 2 bumps down for the feet. And then a curve across to close it off. Now that we have the shape of Pusheen's body, let's move in and draw the face. At the top, let's draw a curve down and up in the center. And one more on each side. Then underneath, let's draw 2 curves down and out for the mouth. And then 2 circles for the eyes. And then color them both in black. Now let's hop out to the sides and let's draw 2 curves on the left and on the right for the whiskers. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop down and let's draw the hands holding the present. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve towards the center and back out on the left. And the same thing on the right. Now on top, let's draw a small line up. And then close it off at the top. Now let's move underneath the arms and let's draw 2 lines down. And again, a line across the bottom. Now inside the present, let's draw a line down in the center. And then 1 across. And lastly, on top, let's draw 2 curves for the bow. And that's it for the present. Lastly, for Pusheen, let's draw the tail. On the bottom right, let's draw a curve up and bring it back in underneath. And then add some curved stripes inside. And that's it for Pusheen. Lastly, let's add a few more gifts. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a line across. Then let's bring it down from each end. Curve it in at the bottom. And a line across. Now inside the present, let's draw 2 lines down in the center. Then a line across. And continue it on the other side. And one more underneath in the same way. Now let's add the bow on top. Let's draw 2 lines up and a curve at the top. Now for the bow, let's curve it out and down on each side. Then let's add a curve up inside each side. And that's it for the first present. Now let's add one more on the right side. We'll start with a longer rectangle near the bottom. And again, let's add the ribbon inside with 2 lines down. And 2 lines across and behind. Now let's add the bow on top with 2 lines up and a curve at the top. Now for this bow, let's draw 2 bumps out on each side. And 2 curves inside. And that's it for a Christmas present Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!